Hey everyone, it's Nick from the Fabella team. Today I want to talk to you about one of the features that we have called an integrated web player. Now, we know that we can publish to Google, Amazon, but what can we do in the meantime while our stuff is either getting certified or put on a store? Or what if we just don't want to use a voice platform? Well, the team at Fabella has created a way for you to export your projects and allow them to live on an external site through what we call our web player. Now, in order to access this web player, you could see on the screen, I have a simple um, random fact based project that is here. And let's say I didn't want to go Amazon, I didn't want to go Google, I didn't want to go smartphone. That wasn't my goal. My goal was to just put it on the website. I could easily go up here to File, click on Web Player, and now given this interface where it says use the following link to share and interact with your project via the Fabella Web Player. Remember to save your project to ensure the web player reflects the most recent changes. So what we can do is we could change the title. We can add a subtitle. I'm just going to put by and Nick. Oh no, happens all the time. How am I still doing it? Okay, there we go. We fixed that. Okay. And then you can also add a URL logo. So if you have a small logo, like a branding that you want to put on your web player, you can do that by just pasting that the location of where you saved it there. And then you have a shareable link. But the cool thing is you can actually embed this web player. So let's say you have a website where you want to put a piece of content behind a paywall. You could actually embed this and put this information behind a paywall on your website, therefore generating revenue and income for you and using Fabella as the back end for that. So now, and you would just simply copy and paste the information that you see here to your HTML page. You can change the width and also the height, and then you just copy the code. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to copy this code because this is the shareable link. Let's say you have a project, you want to create flashcards for something, right? You could easily do that. You copy, and then you open up a new tab, and then you simply paste it in that new tab. And voila, as you can see, your title by Nick Saka. You can play it from here or here. And if you click on this, you can find out which web browsers this works best in. And you can find some other information on how speech recognition works as well with the web player. Now let's give it a try.
Welcome to Space Facts. Would you like to hear a random fact? The stellar classification group stars into categories depending on the spectral characteristics. The most common types are the O, B, A, F, G, K, and M classes. Our own sun is a G-class star. Would you like to hear another space fact?
I'm just going to say no, but if I said yes, it would completely, it would just go in an infinite circle, just giving me facts over and over and over again. But what you can do, some of your options down here are stop, which means you would completely stop the project. You could restart the project from the beginning, or you can actually repeat the last thing that was said. So I'm going to go ahead and just click no.
Bye.
And there you go. So whenever you look at the web player, you can see that there's a lot of possibilities here. Maybe your objective isn't necessarily to have something on Amazon or Google or even in a mobile app. It's to, make your website or your storefront more robust for people to find things within inside of your website. Maybe you want to showcase something on your website. This is what Fabella can do for you, and this is how you would use the web player in order to publish your projects to an external site. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can simply go down here to report a problem or feedback, and you'll fill out the form and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If not, you can always send it to support@fabellacreator.com. I'd like to thank you all for your time, and I can't wait to see what you create next. Have a great day.